Now, this is how you can update the WhatsApp on your Android, but do it manually. So let me get started. Subscribe if you're new and we can get into it. So of course, when I get inside of the Play Store like this, the app where I downloaded the WhatsApp to begin with, I can go to the search and literally just look up the WhatsApp right here into the search. And you can see that if I look it up, if there is an update available, I can click on the update button right here. So that would mean updating it manually, right? I don't have anything automatically set up in another place. You can see that I can click on update whenever I decide, and it's gonna download the thing however large it is, and then it's gonna give me the latest version of the app. Right, so that is how it works. That's how you can do this. Just look up any name of the app and you will have the ability to decide how it works. But you can always click on your profile right here and you can manage apps and a device in there. So if there are all of the updates available, you can just click on update all in here and just do it with one click, right? Or you can as well see the details and only update the apps that you decide. So this doesn't apply to just one app that you look up, but for all of those which are currently available. You also have the ability right here to turn on Wi-Fi updates, which would mean that if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, the updates might be installed automatically. But if you are interested in the manual approach, then this is probably not something you want. So let me know if you found what you needed. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and I'll see you then.